Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's world, online learning has become more accessible and diverse than ever before. Whether you're looking to pick up a new skill, advance your career, or simply satisfy your curiosity, there's a wealth of educational platforms available, both free and paid. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to make the most out of these platforms, offering tips and strategies to help you maximize your learning experience. Let's dive in. Free versus paid options. Free platforms, websites like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer a wide range of courses at no cost, perfect for casual learners or those on a budget. However, they may have limited access to certificates, advanced features, or specialized content. Paid platforms, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Masterclass provide in-depth courses with a focus on quality and often include certificates of completion, hands-on projects, and direct access to instructors. Paid platforms are ideal for professionals or those looking to gain a competitive edge. Matching your learning style. Video-based learning. If you prefer visual and auditory learning, look for platforms that offer high-quality video content, such as YouTube or Masterclass. Interactive learning. For a more hands-on approach, consider platforms like Codecademy or Khan Academy, which include interactive exercises and quizzes. Setting clear goals and expectations. Define your objectives. Before starting any course, determine what you want to achieve. Are you looking to gain a new skill, earn a certification, or simply explore a new topic? Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Time management. Allocate specific times for learning in your schedule. Treat it like a regular class or work commitment to ensure consistent progress. Maximizing learning with paid platforms. Utilize all resources. Paid platforms often come with additional resources like downloadable materials, quizzes, and community forums. Make sure to use these to reinforce your learning. Engage with instructors and peers. Many paid courses offer direct interaction with instructors and fellow students. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and seek feedback to deepen your understanding. Take advantage of certificates. If your platform offers certificates, make sure to complete the course requirements. Certificates can be valuable additions to your resume or LinkedIn profile. Getting the most from free platforms. Supplement your learning. Free platforms are excellent for exploring new topics or supplementing knowledge from other sources. Combine free courses with paid ones for a well-rounded education. Stay disciplined. Without the financial investment, it can be easy to lose focus. Set up a learning schedule and stick to it, treating free courses with the same level of commitment as paid ones. Practical application and continued learning. Apply what you learn. Immediately put your new skills into practice. Whether it's through personal projects, work, or volunteering, practical application solidifies your learning. Continue exploring. Online learning is an ongoing process. Once you complete a course, look for related topics to expand your knowledge or deepen your expertise. And there you have it, your guide to getting the most out of online educational platforms, both free and paid. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your skills to the next level, these tips will help you make the most of your learning journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below for more content.